In this video, we will see how we can get started with Java programming using Visual Studio Code. Here we're going to be installing the VS Code, Java JDK, and the required extensions in VS Code so that we can easily start programming in Java. So what we have to do is we have to open up a browser and then open up the Google, and then here we will search for VS Code Java language pack. Now once I do that, we can see the search results and it says Java in Visual Studio. And it is from the code.visualstudio.com. So we will open up this link, and here if we scroll down, then we can find the coding pack for Java in Windows. Since I'm in the Windows, I will download this. By using this, we can install the Visual Studio Code, Java JDK, and the required extensions all in one place. So once the download is complete, we will open up this downloaded file, which will open up the coding pack for Java. Here we will accept the terms and license agreement, and then we will click on next. Now it will check for the Java JDK whether it is already installed or not, and also it will check whether the VS Code is installed or not. Both of these are not installed in this particular computer, and that's why if I click on this install, it will download and install them. If it is already installed, then it will use the current installation. So here we will click on install. Now it will download and install these things. So we have to wait for this process to finish. Now once the process is complete, we can check this checkbox which says launch VS Code, and then we can click on finish. Now what it does is it will launch the Visual Studio Code. Now the next thing that we do here is we will create a Java project. For that we will go to this view and then command palette, or you can press the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P. And once the command palette is opened, here we will type in Java : and then create Java project. Now once I do that, I can see an option Java create Java project. If I click on that, it will select the build tools. Here I'm gonna go with no build tools. Now once I do that, it will ask us to select a folder to store the Java projects. So here I'm gonna go to my desktop, and here I'm gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna call it as Java, and then I'm gonna say select the project location. Now after that, it will ask me to give a name for the Java project. So here I'm gonna say hello world, and then I have to hit the enter key in my keyboard. And once I do that, it will create the Java project. And if it displays a message to trust the authors, click on yes and trust the authors. So now here we can see in the Explorer, hello world project has been created. We can see the lib and source folder. And here in this app.java, which is present in this source folder, we can see the Java program. Now here it already contains a Java program. If I want to run this, I can go to the top right section, and then here I can find this play like icon, and here I can find the option to run Java and debug Java. Here I'm going to go with run Java. If I do that, it will run the Java program, and if it asks for any permission, then click on allow and provide the permission. Now here we can see the output of this Java program, which is hello world. Now this is the easiest way to get started with Java programming using the VS Code. You don't have to install them separately. You can install everything by using this one tool. Now if you want, you can separately install Java JDK, VS Code, and then install the required extensions. But this is the easiest method. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.